right, so this is the subcompact 3-point wood chipper, 4-inch chipping capacity. Hook up with a 30 to 50 horsepower tractor. PTO shaft included. That's what that is. Now let's figure out if we can do this without the instructions. It's part of the show where I like to go, let's fuck around and find out. All right, so we got it all together, and now we're gonna go up to our pile of limbs and branches, and we're gonna see how this thing works. This is my first time using the PTO on this tractor, so we will see how it works. There we go. All right, let's chip something. loud, but it works pretty good. So these are the chips that it made. Very nice mulch. And we are going to spread that in our garden next year. So, I think I'm quite impressed with it. We'll see how long it lasts, and I'll make it work. But that rough cut 4x4, that didn't go in there. It's exactly 4 inches. So my mill was probably off a little bit, so it got wedged in there. So it is 4 inches exactly. You can't do anything bigger than that. But it's awesome. I think we're gonna get some good use out of it. Thanks for watching.